How does dredging work? Have you ever wondered how fishermen attract big catches like billfish and tuna? One effective technique is called dredging. Dredging involves using a specialized lure or rig known as a dredge, which is towed behind a boat. This method creates visual and vibrational signals in the water that draw fish in. Let's break down how this process works step by step. First, the dredge is deployed from the back of the boat, also known as the transom. It is attached to a strong line that is secured to a cleat or a mechanical system like an A-frame or boom. The boat moves forward slowly, allowing the dredge to sink to the desired depth without putting too much tension on the line. Next, positioning is key. The dredge should be placed in what is called clean water. This means it should be away from the boat's prop wash or any turbulent water. For smaller boats, this usually means running the dredge about 20 to 30 feet behind the transom and at a depth ranging from just below the surface to about 6 feet deep. Larger boats can deploy dredges farther back and deeper while still keeping visual contact. Now let's talk about trolling speed and drag. The boat should maintain a slow trolling speed that balances the drag created by pulling the dredge through the water. When deploying or retrieving the dredge, it is often best to put the boat in neutral. This reduces drag and helps avoid damage or line breakage. For larger sport fishing boats, mechanical assistance can make a big difference. Systems like A-frames with pulleys or dredge booms help manage the stress on the tackle. They make it easier to deploy, control, and retrieve multiple dredges. This way, anglers can fight fish on one side while keeping dredges in the water on the other side. The dredge acts as a lure attractor, drawing fish close to the boat. Anglers need to keep a close eye on the dredge to spot any fish approaching or striking it. This visual cue allows for the timely deployment of additional baits or lures nearby, increasing the chances of a successful catch. In practical terms, dredging combines careful control of the rig's depth and position, managing drag and line tension, and using boat speed and mechanical aids to maintain an effective fishing spread. This method is especially useful for bottom fishing techniques that target species responsive to the movement and appearance of dredges in the water. It requires coordination between boat handling and angling to maximize success.